Hey everyone, David here. So today we're going to be potting up some Cryptanthus or Earth Star cuttings. I was cleaning out one of my terrariums and I found these three little itty bitty cuttings or offsets from my Cryptanthus. So I thought we'd pot them up into this decorative little pot here that kind of looks like a rock. It had some little padding feet on it and a drainage hole with a plug. I am going to start by putting the plug in, mostly so I can soak the media in here, but I will eventually remove the plug so that water doesn't stay in here for too long. For the potting media, I'm just going to be using some tree fern fiber today. Pack that in there. Now I'm just going to gently place these little Earth Star cuttings into the tree fern fiber. Start by just loosely doing it just so I can have an idea of how I want to place them. I think something like that. Just trying to dig kind of a little bit an impression and then nestling the cutting into the depression. Got one more here. All right, I think that's looking pretty good. And to finish it, I also have a little bit of dried moss I'm hoping will come back to life. So I'm just going to try to place this under the leaves. And there we have it. So now I'm just going to pour this water into the pot so that the media soaks up all the moisture and gets completely saturated. I'll then drain it so that water is not sitting at the bottom. Hey all, just wanted to share a quick update on the Cryptanthus cuttings that we planted in this rock planter. As you can see, they've grown in really nicely over the past, what I think has been more than a year. I think they really seem to love it in here. I think they can stay in this pot for a little while longer, but I'll probably need to start thinking about transplanting them again soon. Maybe next time I'll just place one cutting in here to give the plant more room to shine. I've also been toying with the idea of creating a new terrarium with Cryptanthus, but we'll see if that happens. And that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed the update and maybe got some inspiration for your own Earth stars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.